What you got there?
I don't know. Is it a tool? Here we are back out again.
We're on a roll with arches at the moment, aren't we? We've found another one.
Check this arch out.
A bit different. It's not dry stone, it's wet brick. Wet engineering brick from about 1910 to be precise. So it's still a metal mine.
And a lovely dry stone wall right there.
And we've got a bit of that as well. So once again we're in another lead mine, lead and zinc mine. And we're just at that point where the arch hits the bedrock. There's the bedrock over there. So we're into the mine proper.
So here we go. Down a very, very long level. What have you found, Lois? Nothing?
Something how we put in a quartz.
Yeah. So we brought the gas air meter with us. We're going to test the air at the end of this level. We've been in here before, we're always curious. On
20.9 right now, which is nice and healthy.
Yep.
Anything below 18 really is getting dangerous, so keep an eye on this. As I say, we've been in here many times before, but since it is ultimately a long level, it doesn't connect with any further workings. Obviously we haven't got that flow of air, so we're just curious really. Some of the old compressed air pipe brackets there. They were using pneumatic drills in here in the 1920s, so we've got those brackets still there.
Very rustic looking.
Odd that they've taken the rails, well probably for scrap really, yes. Haven't bothered with the sleepers, have they? There's two sizes of brackets here. Small one is compressed air, large one is ventilation pipe. There was a fan at the entrance of the level, and that was sucking air out through these galvanized pipes, and that would then force natural air in through the entrance. What you got there?
I don't know. Is it a tool?
I'm not sure what that is. Is it it's not a broken spanner, is it?
It's a spanner, yeah. You can see.
Yeah.
Now they've come back on themselves.
Oh yeah.
They widened it for a reason.
Yeah. There's a small quartzy load here. Maybe they were just having a look at that. Yeah. Doesn't look particularly interesting though, does it? Oh yeah.
They're all down the left side.
They are.
Those two
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Ventilation pipes in situ.
Oh. Oh yeah. Lovely.
Oh.
Wow. Not much room for actually walking, is there? Yeah. Those are big old pipes.
Yeah, they smacked their heads a few times.
Yeah. Really good condition. So these date from the 1920s, so they're just over 100 years old, about 1920, 21. All of these. That was when this level was last worked. And rails as well, good over.
2 foot rail.
Complete level.
Oh, junction. Oh, look.
So they finally found something. I like these points. The single bladed points here. You just swing it around this way to go to the right and swing it back that way to go to the left. Very simple, but yet it worked.
Have a look. This is the grease tub.
Oh yeah.
And it's still got a bit of rag on there.
Wow. In its grease tin.
Yeah. That's impressive.
Compressed air
It is,
hose.
yeah. It is, isn't it?
For the drills.
Yep. And a lovely old bottle.
What sort of age is that, do you reckon?
Oh, late 1800s.
Oh. What would have been in it? Fizzy water? Normal water?
I'm not sure. Yeah,
H&A,
with the,
goodness knows.
maybe a fizzy drink of some sort.
Yeah. So this flexi hose would have been connected to the drills at one end and to the air receiver on the other. And the air receiver would have been fed by the compressed air pipes on the level. So you could connect your drill and move it around.
A possible explosive tin.
I reckon.
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it?
Yep.
We've seen a few of those around, haven't we?
Yeah.
The mines around here, that sort of design.
And the wonderful junction.
I love the points. As a railway nerd, I like points.
Let's go there.
Let's go this way, shall we?
Have you noticed the meter is flashing red?
I have. 19.2, which is still fine.
Yes, but it's dropped ever so slightly.
Yeah, anything below 19.5, it looks like it starts playing its little
Oh, look.
lights, doesn't it? This is a proper explosives box.
Yes, it is.
With a slot for the catch and padlock as well.
Right there, look. Oh yeah, you see it
Yeah.
better that side. That's a cracker, isn't it?
That's lovely. And even some deck tins and some fuse still inside.
Yeah, what's that?
I think that's a collar for the compressed air pipes, like a joiner, I think.
Fuse there.
Oh yeah. Look at the nice join, the wood join.
Look at these.
This is pretty, isn't it?
They're wonderful.
Iron garrows coming down there from the ceiling.
Yeah, they're nice. Almost like teeth, like.
They are, aren't they? Very pretty.
The level keeps going. Do you think that's a handle?
Could well be.
I don't want to touch it, it'll break it. It's got a curve in it.
Yeah,
A Cornish pick.
Yeah, pick on that end, and then this end's kind of got a bit of taper going on, hasn't it?
Very old, that.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Flashes and flash.
Look, 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 look.
Oh yeah.
Wow. I would say dynamite box,
Yeah,
but they've
definitely.
used it for stemming.
They have, haven't they? It's very heavily built. Look at the metal straps on it.
And the bottom of a barrel here.
Yeah.
What's that?
That's a very good
It's
question.
almost like sawdust.
I've seen that further back down. There was a pile of it.
Yeah, I think it's just this. It's just formation-y stuff. Yeah,
This is quite weird. How it
Or
just
possibly
fits
to
with
keep the
different-
dynamite sticks dry.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
No idea, never seen it before. Keep going.
I'm on again. I think I can see the end. Yeah, here's the end. That's it.
This is it.
Wow. Tragedy.
Very.
Nearly half a mile of level, and they didn't find anything worth stoping.
What a shame, eh?
Yeah, and they were in the right spot, right underneath those massive workings above us, same load, but just nothing in it. It was quite common in the 19th century to say that the loads in mid-Wales died out in depth, so that might be a good example of
Look
that.
look at the size of the end.
Yeah,
It's huge.
it is.
Very small shot holes.
Yeah, we're still in the 1870s here, so they wouldn't be massive yet, but yeah.
They desperately dug a huge
Yeah,
hole at the end here.
and they've left the last pile.
There it is. And I just spotted, just here, an old shovel head
Where did you?
next to a chisel.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And anyway, how is the air?
It's beautiful. 19.
There we go.
Yeah, no problem at all up here. Which I'm surprised at actually. I thought it'd be a bit lower than that. But there we are.
Here we go.
One more level.
One more level.
So this here, as the pipe suggests, was the last point in the whole mine to be abandoned. And this is 1923. So quite a lot of time after that bit that we just came out of. What they thought was, well, that can't have been the real load, it must be even further north. So they've carried on the main crosscut to see if there's anything else.
Let's go and see. Look.
Look at all these pipes in perfect condition.
Very awkward to work in. Look.
They are, aren't
so,
they?
So low down there, and big, and
You see the
you're in
size of these shot holes back here as well.
Yeah, oh, they're big, aren't they?
Nice 1920s shot holes there.
Widened it here for passing, possibly.
Yeah, it could
Oh
be.
look, Hessian.
Oh yeah.
Wow. That's old.
Yeah.
Watch your head on that hook.
Oh yeah. I love these pipes.
that a dead end?
Nope.
No. Oh look,
Goes round.
it's a bracket for compressed air.
Compressed air pipes,
Yeah.
that's the one. Yeah.
I think so.
And I think, by the looks of it, the compressed air pipes are still here.
There it is.
There they are.
Somebody's propped it up with the sleeper.
Yeah. So we've got both. We've got ventilation and we've got compressed air.
Got all the old string
Yeah.
still sitting there from all them years have gone by.
So they hit something else here and gone off.
They have,
to
haven't
follow
they?
it. But this one looks even more rubbish than the last one. In fact, I can't really even see it.
Look at the length of the shot holes.
Yeah.
Like 3 foot long.
They are, aren't they? And look at the pipes, how they just kink round into the level like that. That's brilliant.
Yeah. Joined it with some Hessian.
Wow.
Oh look.
Oh yeah.
Please explain.
That is a needle for clearing shot holes. It's bent a bit at the end, but that would have been used for clearing the dust out of the shot hole. A bit like a scraper. Prior to...
What's your thoughts on this?
That would have been a scraping plate. It's obviously a piece of jigger mesh or something. It's from outside.
It's a jigger bit.
Yeah,
You see that? Huh?
but they would lay that flat on the ground just to ease shoveling into the wagon.
They upcycled everything, didn't
Yes,
they?
absolutely.
If it was no good outside, they could use it inside.
Yeah.
Now this is interesting. It has a bend in it.
It looks like it's supposed to be like that.
Yeah, I
doesn't
think
it?
so. Yeah, it's been made for that.
Yeah.
That shape.
Still got the rails here on the floor as well. So yeah, even in the 1920s they didn't find any ore.
Let's have a look. That's the end of it. Are we? How was the air?
Yeah, 19%. So the whole level's fine. Yeah, I didn't realise that we're not really following the usual strike of the loads around here.
Thanks for watching, guys. You know, not a very productive mine. We're coming
No.
a long way.
It was a fun one for us, but not for the poor miners.
Hope you enjoyed it. And all the best to you.
Ciao for now.